In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock your OneDrive Personal Vault safely and quickly. The Personal Vault is a protected area inside your OneDrive designed for your most sensitive files, and unlocking it takes just a moment if you know where to click. I'll walk you through the exact steps and share a few helpful tips along the way. First, log into your OneDrive account, open your preferred browser, go to the OneDrive website and sign in with your Microsoft account. Make sure you're using the correct account associated with your files. If you use multiple accounts, double check the profile indicator in the top right to confirm you're in the right place. A stable internet connection helps here, especially if you use multi-factor verification. Once you're signed in, look at the left-hand side of the screen and click My Files. This takes you to your main file library where your folders and documents live. If your navigation panel is minimized, expand it so you can clearly see the My Files option. Next, find your Personal Vault in the list. It usually appears with a small vault icon. Right-click Personal Vault to open the context menu. If you don't immediately see it, scroll through your folders or use the search bar to locate Personal Vault. When the menu appears, look for the option to unlock and click Unlock. At this point, you may be prompted to sign in again. Click Sign In to continue. This extra sign-in is normal. It's an added layer of security to make sure only you can access the vault. Even if you recently signed into OneDrive, this step confirms your identity specifically for the vault. Now, follow the verification prompts. Depending on your account setup, you might be asked to enter a code sent to your email or another trusted method, approve a notification on your Authenticator app, or use a security key or biometric verification. Enter the code or approve the prompt as instructed. If you don't receive a code right away, wait a moment, check your spam or junk folders, and make sure you're using the verification method linked to your account. Remember, verification codes expire, so enter them promptly and never share them with anyone. Once verification is complete, your Personal Vault will open and you'll be able to access your protected files. Keep in mind that the vault automatically relocks after a period of inactivity for your security. When you're finished, simply close the tab or sign out to keep everything secure.